Okay, welcome to this quick video. This is Adam Bean, the Sunshine Coast social entrepreneur, and what I'm going to show you how to do today is find this free software, Discover FreeMind, where you can download it and get a free training on how to use it, 25-minute video that'll show you exactly how to use it, and as it says here, it'll teach you how to organise, plan and profit from your ideas, your business startup ideas and your entrepreneur ideas that I know that you have and you're very keen to get moving with. So what I'm going to do for you in this short video is just show you very quickly how I use it, and I'm no expert on using it. As I say, the video tutorial that I'll show you where to get for free later on will show you far more depth. It's a full 25-minute video that'll show you a lot better than what I can how to use it, but this will just give you a quick idea of what you can do with it and how valuable it is for you. Okay, so I've got a FreeMind actually opened up here, and all we do to start off with is we get a new mind map here. We click inside here, and that will allow us to type what we want to in front of here. So we're going to call this one presentation mind map. Just have to bear with me, my typing's not the quickest, so we just hit enter. So that's given us our basis to start from. Then all we do is we can go up. You can't actually see here, but there's tabs along up the top here. I'll just pull this down so you can have a quick look. There's tabs across the top there. File was where I opened or started a new mind map, and you've got all your editing tools in there, as well as down on the side toolbar here. There's a lot of editing tools. View, we actually insert a new child mode. We can do it there. We'll just lift that back up. We can simply click there. That's if we want to go back and we made a spelling mistake or whatever, we click it and it turns white. We can actually get back in there and edit it. Just click off here so it's grey. Just press insert on your keyboard and that will give us our first line coming off. So we'll call this how to use a mind map, and we hit enter. Okay, alright, and then we can branch off of that. It's really cool and easy, very simple to use. As I say, I only use it for the very simple parts of it to start off with. So going off of that, what we'll do is how to use a mind map. So we'll create a to-do list. So we hit insert. So we'll call that to-do list. So we'll make this my to-do list for the week. And if I want to branch off of that further to out this way to the right again off that to-do list, I hit insert again, and so I'm going to call my first to-do list. I want to make a new blog post as my to-do list. And now if I want to bring from that blog post a list of ideas down there off that to-do list, I stay there, so that's grey, and I hit the enter key. That will give me another module or node they call it just below it, and I'm going to make a YouTube video this week, which is this video just here actually. So YouTube video, and I'm going to update my Facebook fan page. Alright, now if I want to run some more ideas off of those, we go back, just hang my mouse over that so that that's highlighted grey, and I'll insert off of that. So the blog post is going to be about Twitter, and I might highlight Twitter there as being an idea. So what, I'll come over here, and we've got a lot of options down here. You can throw things in the bin, whatever you want to do. I'm going to highlight that as an idea, Twitter. Now YouTube video, I want to make that, so I'll go down, make that grey again, insert, how to use FreeMind, enter, and update my Facebook fan page. This is something I actually did earlier. So I hit insert again. I'm going to make that I'm going to put a new discussion on there. Oh, spelling mistake, so just click there, click beside that, new discussion. Oh, I've got two spelling mistakes. Click beside there, backspace, new discussion, enter, done with that, and I'll make that new discussion, I'll leave that grey and insert again for my next idea coming off of that. Web pages dead, which is something I believe that they are. I believe you should be using blogs these days. Static web pages aren't any good anymore. So we'll leave that as that, and what we can also do, if we want to just leave that as a group of ideas, if we come back to how to use a mind map, and we hit enter, we can either branch straight back off of our first one, so we can complete a completely different idea if we want. Call that completely different. Or we could have gone to here to how to use a mind map, hit enter. That'll drop us a box below, the same as what it did when we hit enter here and they dropped the box below. So we'll put one in there. Is that where I wanted to put it? How to use a mind map. No, that wasn't where I put it. That's done the same thing again. So if I just type a couple letters in there, hit enter, and then I'll go delete, that'll get rid of that for me. If I come back to highlight to-do list, hit enter, that's better. How to use a mind map to-do list. And then we can put what can a mind map do for us. Enter. And then we can start with some more ideas coming off of that. So I'll insert off of that again, and so it'll help us organise. Enter, and I'll drop below that, so I'll hit enter again, plan, enter, and it's also easy to save on a computer so we can easily find it. And the other great thing about FreeMind is, because it's also easy to save, I've got other files in here, other mind maps that I've done. If I want to have a look through all of them, I can just click on these arrows here. This is Bob the Teacher interview. This is an interview I did with Bob the Teacher, and I've folded everything right back into nothing there. You do that just by clicking on it. So if I click on that little dot there now, that will bring up this previous mind map. So this was a call I did with Bob the Teacher. I'll start off with topics for the call, and these were my main headings: who's Bob the Teacher, why create an information product, how to make it work for bricks and mortar business, uses for teleseminars, my idea for an information for product for Christmas work, and then talk a little about his in-net marketing success library, which is where you're going to get the free software download and the free tutorials. And again, you'll see here branched off of it. What did you do before? These were questions I asked him. What did you do before you started internet marketing? Why did you want to change? How did you get started? What was your first information product? Results? Goes on and on. So I could just sat there as I did the call, just highlighted those, went through, asked him the questions. I had everything sitting there. It was really easy to use. It was brilliant. Now, the other great thing that you can do is, if I decide that these aren't quite in the right order that I want, say if I wanted to ask him about creating an information product before who is Bob the Teacher, if I just pick that up, move that up there, that's actually put that in the wrong spot. But as you can see, you can drop and drag whole sections around wherever you like. So if I bring that back to topics for the call, why create an information products up the top, so I could have started there and then asked him who's Bob the Teacher, but I wouldn't really want to do that, but I could have. I'm just showing you how easy this is to drop and drag around. The same with these ones. If I decided that I didn't like that there, that should be under discussion and hot topics. I just grab hold of it, see how it's got the little box there, drop it down there, and now it's under discuss hot topics. Alright, so that gives you a bit of an overview of how to use FreeMind and what a mind map can do for you, and how easily and quickly get yourself organised with that. As I say, you can download the software for nothing, and you can get some great training on it from Bob's In-Net Marketing Success Library for free as well. I'll put a link up. If you're watching on YouTube, the link's just to the right of this video. If you're watching on my blog, the link will be just below this video. So get over to Bob's In-Net Marketing Success Library, grab the hold of this software and use it. It's brilliant. Make sure that you also watch his tutorial, and so it shows you how to use it more effectively than what I can. And as I say, he's got a load of other great information there as well for free. Make sure you check it all out. Leave some comments on this YouTube video or on my blog as to what works, what doesn't work for you. If you're having any problems, just leave a comment, ask me, or send me an email, and I will see you on my next video.